Hey guys, Hippie Magica here, and today I'm going to talk about how to attract positive things in your life. So, I myself love manifestation coach, human design coach, tarot reader, and many other things. And I want to help you if you're in a negative situation, in a dark hole, maybe starting this 2025. And I believe this has happened because a lot of us are leaving behind what doesn't serve us anymore. A lot of us have left that old version of ourselves back in 2024, and we're still in this transition to be the next version of ourselves for 2025. But you may be experiencing negativity because there's a lot of fear in the unknown. There's a lot of fear in change, right? When there's change, when there's unknown, when we don't know the answers, when we don't know what's next, then negativity comes into our lives. But I'm going to help you how to stay positive in this transition of your life. Because usually the negativity comes when our manifestations haven't arrived, when you've done everything, but you haven't seen any change or very little change, or maybe you've done everything, right? And you've manifested everything, right? Or you manifested your goal, your desire, but you're still negative and you don't know why. So I'm gonna give you three tips for you to attract more positivity in your life, positive experiences, positive opportunities, a positive life. So the number one thing, and this is a lifestyle. This is not like you're just gonna do it until things get better and then you forget about it. And the thing is gratitude. You need to be grateful for the things, for the life, for being alive, basically. If you're watching this video, you have Wi-Fi, you have a laptop, you have a phone. You should be grateful for this. Do you remember the last time your phone didn't work, or the last time you didn't have Wi-Fi, or the last time your laptop stopped working? If you do, remember how it felt to not have it. Remember how it felt to be disconnected from the world. A lot of us are negative because we're ungrateful because we have so much abundance that it's like you just want more. So you're like in automatic mode. It's like, okay, I have this. Now I want more. Now I want more. Now it's like this is the perfect recipe for a miserable life, an unhappy life. Because when you want more, you will never be happy. You will never be satisfied. So you need to practice gratitude so you can be happy with what you have. Start with a few items through every morning. Like it it has to be real, right? So you need to, even if you think like, oh, I really have nothing to be grateful, like you have a phone, you have iPhone or any type of phone, right? You have Wi-Fi. Be grateful for that. Be grateful that you woke up. Be grateful for the sun. Be grateful for your clothes. Be grateful, um, yeah, for whatever made you happy the previous day, you need to be grateful for that. And if you're just like, I just don't ever remember being happy. I don't remember the last time I was happy. We'll start practicing. And the first step to being happy and attracting positive things is by you first being positive, by you first being that frequency of positivity, and that is through um gratitude. So grateful. Like I'm grateful for my tarot cards. I just did a tarot reading for my Instagram, and I'm grateful for my phone, and I'm grateful for my pen that allows me to draw, and I'm grateful for this beautiful shirt that I feel so free and ventilated and comfortable and the highest version of myself. I'm grateful for my tattoo that just reminds me of my magic, my Mexican beautiful roots, and the spirituality. So start to see things in a different perspective. Okay, tip number two. And they are all equally important, seriously. Like I do all three of them. Like if I don't do one of these, like like my frequency will lower and I won't attract as many positive things as when I actually do them. So you have to start doing them all. If you're just doing one of these, it's okay. Like start doing the second one. So the next tip that you need to start doing in order to attract more or to start attracting positive things in your life is sleep and rest. If you're not sleeping well at night, or if you don't think sleep is important, if you're like, oh, like sleep can wait, I can sleep on the weekends, I can sleep after this month, I can sleep in the summer, when I earn a lot of money, when I'm done with my project deadline. No, you need to start sleeping tonight, today. Like that needs to be a daily thing. You can't just like postpone sleeping. Like you can't just say like, okay, well, I feel like crap, but I can still work. I can still do everything. I can still function the minimum, like I can like my work is still paying me. I still have a relationship. I still have a job. I still have family. Like I don't need to sleep more because I'm functioning enough with 4 or 5 hours of sleep, right? No. This is really bad. Really bad for your health, for your productivity, for your functionality, for your brain, for your body, for your memory, for your frequency. When you're sleepy, you're gonna be in a sleepy energy. You're gonna be moody and you're gonna be angry and you're gonna not think positive. You're gonna be thinking negative because your tolerance to a lot of things is very low because you're weak, right? So it's maybe you don't want to talk to a lot of people, maybe you don't want to work, maybe you don't want to see people, like already thinking like this. Oh, I don't want to see them. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, I don't want... See, this is negative thinking already. Uh, Even though it's legit why you don't want to see these people, why you don't want to work out, why you don't want to go out, it's fine because you're tired, but because you're tired being negative, you see? If you slept your 8 hours or 7 or 8 hours every night, guess what? You will wake up positively energized, ready to take on your day, ready to do your morning workout, excited to go and meet with your client, excited, looking forward to do something new. See the positivity, see the change? So you just need to start sleeping more, taking more naps throughout the day, sleeping, resting more. This needs to be a daily thing, not a weekend, not a monthly, not a summer thing. The third and last thing that you need to do is, you need to start cutting off relationships that that are negative, pretty much, that lower your frequency, that make you be in a bad mood, that make you be negative, basically. Like the we are made up of the 5 people that we hang out around. It doesn't have to be like best friends. Like it can be like just that you're around with. Like who do you give your time to? Who do you give your focus to? Who do you give your attention to? Right? Just like you give your attention to your phone, to your TV, to anything or anyone, what people are you giving your attention to for whatever reason? And now think, who of these people just make me be in a bad mood? Who of these people lower your frequency? You're gonna know. You're just gonna know. And you need to start distancing yourself from these people. You need to start putting boundaries. You need to start just creating distance or just cutting them off, really. Even if it's family, even if it's friends, even if it's relationships, even if it's clients, even if it's something that you think is very important, you just need to do it. If it's not cutting off, then create distance. But you're gonna see how much it lifts your mood to not be around these people anymore, right? How much, how more, how much more positive you can stay longer. Like how much happier you are, how lighter you feel, how much more positive you are in general, because you're not lowering your mentality, your frequency to their level, right? Everyone brings you either down or up, everyone. And you need to protect your energy. So you need to distance, and trust me, something or someone else is going to replace their spot if you want a replacement, right? It's like, oh, but I really need a coach, or I really need a client, right? Or I really want a friend to do this, blah blah blah. It's like, okay, well, this person obviously wasn't a match. So by you removing them or stepping aside, either you're gonna manifest a positive version of them because you're gonna be focusing on you and your energy, and it's gonna be stronger and more magnetic, or you're gonna manifest a new person with that matches your current frequency. But right now you're a match to the people that are around you. So you need to raise your frequency by being alone and then attract the version of those people or new people. I know this is probably the hardest of all of them, but if you know, like everyone has an energy field and everyone affects everyone else. So be attracting positive things is you feeling good, basically. You taking care of you. No one is gonna make you feel good. No one is gonna take care of you. No one is gonna bring that positivity to you. Like, don't look for it outside. It's actually inside by you taking care of you, prioritizing yourself first, making time for you every day, right? That's when good things happen. Okay, beautiful people. Well, let me know in the comments which tip you're gonna start applying, which one you have already applied, and your experience with it. Okay, let me know what else you would like to see, what other topics you want me to talk about, and I'll be more than happy to talk about it. Okay, have a beautiful day. Talk to you soon.